sold out.
Yeah, because it's really popular on these two, and I think it's a must from high grade. Yeah, if
A
you
must-have from high grade series.
and also if you never touch any Gunpla, it's a very I would say perfect point. Yeah.
But you're a bit biased because you love the anime, right?
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
And you draw it yourself.
Yeah. I will talk that later. But
Okay.
yeah, don't spoil it. Yeah. Don't do any spoilers. Okay. So let's start from the Infinite Justice Gundam Tag 2.
Yes.
Remember a few weeks before on the live, I introduced the Zugok.
The Zugok,
Yeah, the red one.
Yeah, the big red one, the baddie.
Yeah, that's the Gundam hiding in that Zugok. So if you can tell from the cover art, it's
From
actually
the color.
yeah, it's like it's depicting the scene of they breaking the shell.
Oh,
the
it's breaking out of it.
Yeah, breaking out of it.
So like he smashed the.
It's hiding inside.
In there?
Yeah.
How big is he inside there?
It's a very giant one.
Wow.
Yeah.
So he's been hiding in there all this time.
Yeah. Until the main character needs some help, and he just came. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I love it.
And let's see what we have inside.
You're gonna have a look inside.
Yeah. So if you're a fan of, if you had the Infinite Justice Gundam, you might feel it's very similar from the first sight, but after you assemble this one, you might see it's very different from every single details.
Really?
Yeah, they've made a lot of some iterating each of the parts from the design, and it's a very hard thing, I would say, as a designer. Yeah.
You would know.
Yeah, I would know.
You would know because you have to draw them all.
Yeah. And here we have. I'm not sure if I can tell from the parts separately, but it comes with a very special beam horn, special parts.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it a special color?
It should be a transparent pink.
A transparent pink.
Yeah, my phone here. Yeah, should be this one.
And this one?
Yeah, so he can actually shoot the beam from his head.
From his head?
Yeah, from the horn.
Like a laser beam?
Yeah, like a laser beam. And also, if you can see, there's a very a curved beam here.
Yeah.
It's actually attached to the legs.
And that gives rocket powers, or that's a weapon?
It's a weapon.
Oh, that's a weapon
So
on his legs.
Yeah, on his legs. A laser beam.
He's dangerous.
Yeah, dangerous guy. Yeah.
That's why you like him so much.
Yeah. And it also painted the inner structure with the special metallic silver, if you can tell from the part. Yeah, it is.
This one.
Yeah, this.
It's almost like a satin chrome or something, isn't it?
Yeah. So if you have a lot of Gunpla, you might know most of the inner frame is painted in black. Just
Black or dark.
Yeah, sort of like a classic thing. But this one really gives you a sense of really the real metallic.
That's what I'm noticing. Like the parts count is probably not getting higher and higher, but they're adding more and more texture.
Yeah.
More and more texture to the model through better palettes and actual finishes on the panels.
Yes, they do. Yeah.
I won't say it's like velvety, but they can go from gloss to semi-gloss to matte.
Yeah. They're
You know what I mean?
really trying to make more into the kit rather than the parts.
Just making more and more parts. Yeah. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And what about this guy?
This guy is the final unit by the main character. And this is actually so the jetpack and the Gundam itself is separate, so it can driven by different people.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you see the color stickers here, you can actually know there is not too many color refilling works in this kit. So very simple spots here.
Okay.
And for the jetpack, it has a special 3D, if you touch on
Holy moly.
Yeah, it's not a flat one.
It's not a flat one.
Yeah, it's not a flat
And
one.
it's the decals.
Yeah, that's it.
So
yeah.
these are sticky.
Yeah, yeah. It sticks to the gaps of the wings.
Yeah. And again, that's what I mean about them just creating texture, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
They're just not necessarily upping the parts count, but they're giving you lots of different textures and effects.
Yes.
Just through little things like that.
Yes,
and that
it
gives
is.
the impression of glowing, right?
It is. And
Light sourcing or whatever they call it.
yeah. And both of this kit has a upgraded SEED action system, I would say.
SEED action system.
Yeah, because most of the Gundam SEED official arts, especially for the mechanical drawings, they are very well known as the very dynamic poses, and the fans are always trying to recreate the poses by using their gunplas. So
But that's why you're so good at taking photos.
yeah,
Because you're just going Gundam posing, right?
yeah. And yeah, with the SEED action pose system, you can they have a better range of movement, so you can recreate them very easily, I would say. Yeah, and one more special thing for these two kits.
Yeah, these special kits.
Yeah, so the armors on these two kits, if you put them under the UV torch, it will change colors.
Really?
Yes. Yes.
So they change color under UV light.
Yes.
So different textures, different colors, and now when you put different light source on it, it has also different colors, and that's all in the plastics.
Yeah.
These guys are crazy.
Incredible, right?
Hey?
Incredible.
I love it.
Yeah.
That is fantastic.
The very last thing I have.
Have you got one more thing?
Yeah.
What have you got? What have you got? Tell me.
So we have a special bundle for these two kits.
Special bundle.
Yeah.
If you come in store
and
you see Kawa,
here is the art. It's a fan art, but it's an art for the pilots for these two.
Well, who drew them? Did you just copy and paste it?
No, I drew them by my hand.
These are freehand? Freehand draw.
Not AI generated. Okay?
Not AI generated.
Not AI generated.
From inside your mind.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you're going to offer these as a bundle.
Yeah.
With these special kits.
Yes. So if you purchase the Mighty Strike Freedom,
yes,
and you go with extra $2, you will get the Kira and Baksu as the special print for this kit. And if you purchase the Infinite Justice Gundam Type 2 and add more dollars, you'll get the Arthurian and Kagari.
So you want to add $2 more for your beautiful artwork.
Yeah.
And you include it with the Gundam.
Yeah.
I love it. That is fantastic. Come in store and see Kawa. That said, we have lots of Gundam people come in, don't we? All the time.
Yeah, yeah, always.
It's fantastic. Well, thank you very much, Kawa. I hope you had fun today.
Yes.
Thank you for showing, and thank you for that very special offer for our customers and our friends and our viewers of your beautiful artwork. That is awesome. Thank you very much.